A few years ago, I showed you how to make a delicious lemon pie. Just a couple of ingredients, anybody can do it, and it would be a welcome addition to anyone's table. One of my viewers, however, made a suggestion, and boy, were they right. Philadelphia cream cheese. So that's what we're going to do today. The recipe I've already done, but adding Philly cream cheese. Let the cream cheese lay out, get room temp, makes it soft, a lot easier to mix. Put it in the bowl. Add the Eagle brand milk. Two cans. Add the lemon juice. Start to mix. You can use a whisk or a spoon. A beater is better, electric beater is better. Mix it up till there's no lumps. Don't forget to lick the spatula. Open your graham cracker crust up. Pour your mixture into the crust, and it will fill it up a pretty good bit. If you want a pre-treat, leave yourself some in the bowl. Put your lid on the graham cracker crust, put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, and you're set. You can put whipped cream on top if you want to, but it's not necessary. It's that good. 3 ingredients, you can make it. Easy, easy, easy. Don't forget the Philly cheese, that makes it so much better. Put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Amazing.